Hey, English adventurers! Good to have you back.
Shadowing Challenge Day 2. Let's keep this going.
First time, just listen and repeat. Focus on the sound and try not to translate every word.
On the second round, think about the meaning too. If you need to translate something, that's completely fine.
And just like yesterday, no long intros, no big speeches. We respect your time. Just you, us, and the practice.
Today, we pick up right where we left off. Breakfast time. 100 sentences from your first cup of coffee to walking out the door.
Ready?
Let's go.
I never skip breakfast, no matter what.
I never skip breakfast, no matter what.
Breakfast is easily my favorite meal. Breakfast is easily my favorite meal.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Do you eat breakfast every day? I always eat something before I leave. I always eat something before I leave.
My breakfast is the same every single day.
My breakfast is the same every single day.
I get hungry the moment I wake up. I get hungry the moment I wake up. Have you had breakfast already?
Have you had breakfast already?
I can't function without something to eat.
I can't function without something to eat.
Breakfast at home is better than anywhere else.
Breakfast at home is better than anywhere else.
I keep my breakfast very simple.
I keep my breakfast very simple. What time do you usually get up? What time do you usually get up?
I never eat much in the morning.
I never eat much in the morning.
Some mornings I only have coffee. Some mornings I only have coffee.
I try to sit down and eat properly.
I try to sit down and eat properly.
Eating standing up never feels right. Eating standing up never feels right.
Do you eat at home or on the way?
Do you eat at home or on the way?
I always eat at the kitchen table.
I always eat at the kitchen table.
My mornings are far too rushed.
My mornings are far too rushed. I eat while I read the news. I eat while I read the news.
A good breakfast sets up the whole day.
A good breakfast sets up the whole day. Coffee is the first thing I make.
Coffee is the first thing I make. I like my coffee strong and black.
I like my coffee strong and black.
Are you a coffee person or a tea person?
Are you a coffee person or a tea person? I take my coffee with a little milk. I take my coffee with a little milk.
2 sugars, please, if you don't mind.
2 sugars, please, if you don't mind.
I drink about 3 cups a day.
I drink about 3 cups a day. Do you take milk or sugar? Do you take milk or sugar? I can't start the day without caffeine. I can't start the day without caffeine.
Tea is much better than coffee, honestly.
Tea is much better than coffee, honestly.
I prefer green tea in the morning. I prefer green tea in the morning. Would you like another cup?
Would you like another cup?
I always warm the cup first. I always warm the cup first. The kettle takes forever to boil.
The kettle takes forever to boil.
I let the tea brew for 3 minutes.
I let the tea brew for 3 minutes.
Shall I make you a coffee?
Shall I make you a coffee?
I drink a glass of water first.
I drink a glass of water first.
Fresh orange juice is a real treat. Fresh orange juice is a real treat. The coffee here is really good.
The coffee here is really good.
I've had far too much coffee today. I've had far too much coffee today. I'll put the kettle on. I'll put the kettle on. I usually have toast with butter. I usually have toast with butter. 2 slices of bread is plenty for me. 2 slices of bread is plenty for me.
What do you usually have in the morning?
What do you usually have in the morning? I like my toast quite dark. I like my toast quite dark. Eggs are my favorite breakfast by far. Eggs are my favorite breakfast by far. I have scrambled eggs most mornings. I have scrambled eggs most mornings. Do you cook in the morning? Do you cook in the morning? Porridge keeps me full until lunch. Porridge keeps me full until lunch. I always add fruit to my cereal. I always add fruit to my cereal. A banana is enough some mornings. A banana is enough some mornings. Do you make breakfast for your family? Do you make breakfast for your family? I have yogurt with honey most days. I have yogurt with honey most days. Fresh bread from the bakery is wonderful. Fresh bread from the bakery is wonderful.
I never buy bread from the supermarket.
I never buy bread from the supermarket. Cheese for breakfast is quite normal here. Cheese for breakfast is quite normal here.
I'd rather have something sweet in the morning.
I'd rather have something sweet in the morning. Some people prefer something savory instead. Some people prefer something savory instead. Pancakes are far too much work. Pancakes are far too much work. Cereal is the easiest option on busy days. Cereal is the easiest option on busy days. A big breakfast makes me sleepy. A big breakfast makes me sleepy. Is breakfast important where you're from? Is breakfast important where you're from? What's a typical breakfast in your country? What's a typical breakfast in your country? I'd love to try a proper English breakfast. I'd love to try a proper English breakfast. Breakfast is very different around the world. Breakfast is very different around the world. I've never eaten rice for breakfast. I've never eaten rice for breakfast. Some people eat soup in the morning. Some people eat soup in the morning. Have you ever tried a full English breakfast? Have you ever tried a full English breakfast? I could never eat a big meal that early. I could never eat a big meal that early. I'm not really a morning person. I'm not really a morning person.
I need at least an hour to wake up.
I need at least an hour to wake up.
What did you have for breakfast today?
What did you have for breakfast today?
I feel much better after eating something.
I feel much better after eating something.
Skipping breakfast makes me grumpy.
Skipping breakfast makes me grumpy.
Breakfast tastes better with company. Breakfast tastes better with company. I only have time for eggs at weekends.
I only have time for eggs at weekends.
A cooked breakfast is a weekend thing.
A cooked breakfast is a weekend thing.
Weekend breakfasts are completely different.
Weekend breakfasts are completely different. I take much longer over breakfast on Saturdays. I take much longer over breakfast on Saturdays.
We sometimes don't eat until 11.
We sometimes don't eat until 11.
What's your favorite thing to eat in the morning?
What's your favorite thing to eat in the morning?
I make pancakes on Sunday mornings.
I make pancakes on Sunday mornings.
The whole family sits down together. The whole family sits down together.
We stay at the table for hours.
We stay at the table for hours.
I love a slow breakfast with no rush.
I love a slow breakfast with no rush.
Shall we go out for breakfast tomorrow?
Shall we go out for breakfast tomorrow?
There's a lovely café near my flat. There's a lovely café near my flat.
I go out for breakfast once a month.
I go out for breakfast once a month. Breakfast in a café is a real treat.
Breakfast in a cafe is a real treat.
Would you like to join me for coffee? Would you like to join me for coffee?
The bread at my local cafe is wonderful.
The bread at my local cafe is wonderful.
I always order the same thing.
I always order the same thing.
I know a great place for breakfast.
I know a great place for breakfast.
They serve breakfast until midday.
They serve breakfast until midday.
Do you know anywhere good for breakfast? Do you know anywhere good for breakfast?
I always book a table at weekends.
I always book a table at weekends.
Breakfast with friends is the best start. Breakfast with friends is the best start.
I'd rather eat out than cook at weekends.
I'd rather eat out than cook at weekends.
Do you have a big breakfast at weekends? Do you have a big breakfast at weekends?
A good breakfast is worth getting up for.
A good breakfast is worth getting up for.
Take your time over breakfast tomorrow.
Take your time over breakfast tomorrow.
Well done! That's another 100 sentences of English with us, and another step forward.
Drop Day 2 done in the comments if you made it through with us.
And if you didn't quite finish today, that's okay too. You still practiced, and that counts.
If you like this challenge, liking the video and subscribing helps us reach more English learners around the world.
That's how our community grows. Thank you for that.
Tomorrow, Day 3. New topic, a bit more challenge.
See you then, English adventurers.